Today we're going to talk about the Louis Vuitton Monogram print. It is such an iconic print, and I have a few of the monogram pieces in my collection, and I just want to have a discussion about it. So if that sounds like your type of thing, stick around. But you know what? I think I want to film in a different location. So I'm going to switch it up, but that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well wherever you are in the world. I decided to change it up today and film in a different location in our home. Today I'm going to be talking about Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to be talking about specifically the monogram print. And it is just, you know, one of those iconic prints that when you see it, you know exactly what it is. I mean, whether you are really into fashion or not into fashion, if you see that print, you pretty much know it's Louis Vuitton. And there are people who are into monograms, and then there are some people who are totally not into monogram, and there are some people who weren't into it at one time who've grown to accept it or like it over time. I'm one of those people. I used to not like monograms or, you know, fashion with logos all over it. I guess I thought it was a bit ostentatious, if you will, but I've come over the years to appreciate the history behind the Louis Vuitton monogram print, and they have pioneered, you know, having a monogram canvas because other fashion designers have followed suit, but they are the ones who started it all. George Vuitton, the son of Louis Vuitton, or Louis Vuitton, however you want to say it. I don't know if it's Georges Vuitton. I'm not sure how the French say it, so forgive me, but I know his son thought it would be great to pay tribute to his dad. In 1896 is when he introduced this iconic print that is so well known across the world, internationally, and it was tribute to his dad. And when you think about it from that standpoint, paying homage to your father, I just something so endearing about that. He wanted to carry on his father's name, and it has come to represent, you know, durability. It's come to represent not just luxury, but quality and durability. And I know there have been some quality issues within the last 5 or 6 years with Louis Vuitton, but you know, every brand goes through their ebbs and flows when it comes to quality and whatnot. But I think overall they set the standard, and when it comes to luxury, everybody, you know, knows the Louis Vuitton name. I'm going to share with you the monogram pieces that I have in my collection. My collection is very small, though I've tried to collect, you know, pieces over the years. There are some I just couldn't hang on to for various reasons, and I did a video about that. I'll leave it in the description box below, but these are the ones that I know are going to be with me. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing my Louis Vuitton Runaway sneakers right now. I absolutely love these. This was my I guess largest splurge on shoes that I've ever, you know, splurged when it comes to shoes, and I'm so glad I did. I've had them for about 4 years now, and I've done a couple of videos reviewing the Runaway shoes. When I first got them, I did an unboxing, and then I did an update on the wear and tear. I'll leave those videos in the description box below as well. But let's go ahead and start with the purses. I'm going to start from smallest to biggest. The first one I'm going to share with you is the Louis Vuitton looping bag in the monogram print. This is the loop bag, and I absolutely love it. And it's called that because of the handle. It has a swinging handle with this vachetta leather handle. It's a rolled and stitch, very, very nice. And I, you know, was just, I don't know what, I wouldn't say lucky, I would say blessed to have found this right before my 50th birthday, and I was always wanted to thrift an authentic Louis Vuitton, and it happened right before my 50th birthday. So this is really special to me. I did a whole video on this too about how I damaged the handle. If you want to check that out, I'll also leave that in the description box below. But I love this bag. It's just simple silhouette, very, very nice and classic in design. It is iconic It has stood the test of time. Like I say, it dates back to 1896. So that alone says something for it to, you know, have endured all of that time and come to represent so many wonderful things. And like I said, it's durable. You don't have to worry about leak canvas in rain. Now the Vachetta leather, on the other hand, is a different, you know, thing. You might want to treat it with like some apple spray guard or something like that. I have not treated mine, but I don't wear it out when it's raining and things like that. But I absolutely love this one. It's just too cute. It has a snap closure. I have it stuffed right now, but it does have a zip pocket on the interior. And it's just a very simple kind of shoulder bag to wear. Very classic in design. No feet on the bottom. So that is one. Another thing that I love about the Louis Vuitton Monogram print is that it is a neutral. You can wear this, think of it, like I said, as a neutral with just about anything. Like, you know, leopard print, you can pair leopard print with a lot of different solids and different blockings and things like that. And that's how I've come to look at the monogram print. And with it being in this chocolate brown with this kind of nice mustardy gold imprinting on it and the natural brown leather, it's just really, like I said, a neutral, and you can wear it with so much. This one is called the Louis Vuitton Viva City bag, and absolutely love this one. This is just one of my favorite bags because of the front pockets, that beautiful red interior. It does have a zip closure. It also has pockets on the inside. I have them all stuffed right now. And it also has a little key D-ring on the inside where you can put your keys on. It does not have feet on the bottom. It does have adjustable shoulder strap. It is a shoulder bag, which I absolutely love. And this is something that I would pair with the outfit that I'm wearing today, like I'm showing you in the cutaway. This is just a really nice, sleek, casual, everyday type bag that holds so much. And like I say, this monogram print is timeless. I'm wearing my Runaway sneakers with this look, and I think it just pairs well, really, really good together. All right, so that is that one. And then the next bag that I have with the monogram print is the Louis Vuitton Gaia bag, and it's named after a Greek goddess. What I love about this bag, it's a nice hobo style bag with a really nice structured handle, and it has that really nice gold detailing lock and the clochette on the side. It's another alternative to the Louis Vuitton Artsy, which is another bag that I had been eyeing for a very long time. But then when I saw this one, I said it's very similar and it's not something that's commonly seen. And I'm one of those individuals that likes to go against the grain and not go with what everyone has, which is why I do not have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, though I think it's a wonderful bag. It's nice. I tend to opt for things that are not so common, and I love the gussets on the side. It has that natural leather, pebbled leather on the side, which is nice. This one does have feet, and this also has a nice little hidden pocket, thus the lock on the front, which you have a key lock here, which you can open it up and you can put things in there that you want to keep hidden and safe and not so accessible. But the other than that, it's just an open interior. It does have pockets on the inside, and it is just really nice with that red suede interior. This is something that I would wear like with, you know, a little bit more dressy with a dress and just maybe go to church. This could also be a casual bag if you have a lot of things that would pair well with the red accents on the side. So love, love, love the monogram. So let me give you an option for the looping bag. This is something that I would probably wear just to the office, just, you know, just work every day, just casual as well. It's just really a nice bag to have. And like I said, I just love that silhouette, how it tapers towards the top, and just that simple, refined, curved handle that is so easy to swing back and forth. I absolutely love it. So it makes it easy for storage. But so once again, the Louis Vuitton Monogram has been around for a very long time. It is a neutral that you can wear so many different ways with many different things. It's one of those pieces that to me just represent quality, and I've really come to appreciate the monograms. Let me know in the comments below if you own any Louis Vuitton monograms. What's your favorite Louis Vuitton monogram bag? And yeah, I want to hear from you. By the way, I was thinking of filming in some other locations in my home. Let me know if you like this setting, or do you prefer the one in the bedroom, or let me give you one more viewpoint, and you tell me in the comments below what you think. So give me a moment. I'm going to switch up the camera and do from a different angle, but it'll still be in this room, but just from a different angle. All right, guys, so this is the other location within the same room, or I should say the different perspective. I was just on the sofa. Now I'm over here behind the desk. Let me know what you think about this perspective as far as filming. I'm always looking for just to change up things every now and then, and this room has a light source from here, and I also have some doors, French doors here that allow some light because I use natural light. I'm using my phone to film. I always do. In the bedroom, I'm always facing the window because it just offers the best lighting, and I'm looking for some new setups. So let me know what you think about this setup, guys, and leave some comments below on your thoughts on the Louis Vuitton monogram print. I just wanted to share with you my perspective of how the monogram print has fit into my fashion style and my sense of fashion. Like I say, over the years, my ideas about monogram prints have changed, not just with Louis Vuitton, but with other brands as well. I used to just hate the whole Coach monogram, but now I've learned to embrace it, especially with the quality of materials that they've been using. I still don't gravitate towards the Coach monogram with in the fabric print, unless it's in denim. But there are just so many designer brands that now have their logos imprinted onto their different bags and things like that. And I've come to see that this is just going to be something that stays within fashion, and whether or not you like it, it's just a personal choice. And I've come to embrace the monogram print. Let me know your thoughts. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much, and I love you too. And I'll see you next time. Bye.